Hello students, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a very important and interesting problem from the point of view of your IMO examination. Here you can see the expression. We have to simplify this fraction with radicals. When we have the terms like root of root of root, then we have to simplify these roots with our basic concepts. We know that we can write any number under root if we raise it with the same power. How it comes? Because a raised to power m into this will ultimately become a. So any number can be written in this form. With the help of this, now we'll resolve the numerator. There are so many roots, so we want to resolve some of these first. So what we'll do is we'll take 9 inside this root. Here, because it is 3, so we have to raise the power of 9 by 3 if we want to take it under root. So it will become remaining part as it is. Will not do anything with this. We'll simply take it inside this. 81 into 9 raised to power 3. Now again we'll apply a very basic concept of radicals, that if we have it like this, raised to power m raised to power n, then it can be written as a under root mn. How? Because if we solve it, it will be a raised to power 1 upon m, then raised to power 1 upon n. It will be a raised to power 1 upon mn, which can be written as this. So in the similar manner, we can multiply these terms. So it will become under root 3 raised to power minus 5. We are multiplying all of these, so it will become 60. We have simplified it a little. Now we can apply this concept with this also. So we can now multiply these. This we will write as it is. These two will get multiplied like this. So it will be 12, and this part as it is, divided by, let's see if we can simplify this more. Now one more basic logic of radicals, that if I want to raise the power, I have to multiply that power here also, or if I want to divide the power with some number, I have to divide this also. Let's see how it works. For example, I have taken and I have multiplied it by 1 upon n. So I have to multiply here also. We know the value of this is a raised to power n upon m. A raised to power n upon m. So simply, if we are dividing the power, we have to divide here also. If we are multiplying, we have to multiply here also. We'll apply the same logic here and we will resolve this. We will divide this by 5. So we have to divide here also, and it will become 12 3 raised to power minus 1. Now again we can take this 27 inside with power of 12 as we did here. Just look at the numerator. It will be 9 cube 81 27 raised to power 12. We're having 12 and this will remain as it is, divided by this. Further we can resolve. Here we don't have any number, so we can multiply this, and here nothing is written, that means 2, so it will become under root 24 27 raised to power 12 81 9 raised to power 3. Now we can have an idea that we can convert these into prime factors. So we'll convert these terms into base 3. So it will be 3 square raised to power 3. 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. 27 raised to power 12 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 12, divided by same. After solving it all, we'll get 3 raised to power 46. And then under root 12, 3 raised to power minus 1. Now the problem has become much easier to solve. Now again we'll divide it by 2 and this also. Now we can see here it's 12, it's 24, so we can resolve this also. So it will become under root 3 raised to power, we have divided it by 2, so it will become 23, and we have divided it by 2 and divided this also by 2 and divided by under root 12 3 raised to power minus 1. Sorry for the space. We can take it under a single root now, and now these powers will get subtracted and it will become 3 raised to power 24. Further you can solve 3 raised to power 24 divided by 12, that is 3 raised to power 2, so 9 is the answer. So here you can see that if at all we have to simplify a fraction with radicals, so it's better to solve the radicals first with the very basic concepts of radicals. While using formulas, we generally ignore the basic concepts, but sometimes you can see we have no need to use the formulas and only simple logic will work for it. I hope these kind of problems are clear to you. Thank you for watching.